Hello, it's been a while since nag-upload ako. Merong natitirang 300 days before the bar exam. Imagine, just 300 days for me to change my life. Tingin na grabe! So anyway, life update. Tapos na yung midterms ng midterms ko. My performance wise, that's fine, I guess. I got it. Most of the questions, I know the answer. At least I know the answer. At least I guess I know the answer. I don't know really. Also, imagine I only have 6 exams really remaining left before the end of the law school. Law school lang isang experience na ayaw kong ulitin, pare. Also, yun, 300 days na lang before mag-exam. From now on, it doesn't matter whether I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm motivated or not, feeling it or not, I'm gonna study for that 300 days. Because feelings don't matter in the bar exam. Walang pake ang bar exam kung masaya ako or hindi. So anyway, yun naman lang. Wish me luck for the remaining 300 days of my preparation. Okay guys, ingat palagi. Bye!